Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add another account in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and make sure you are logged into your existing account. Then, look for the three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen to access your settings. Once in the settings menu, scroll down and you will find the option Switch Accounts above the Logout button. Tap on Switch Accounts and then Add Account. Here you will see the option to either log in with your existing account or create a new one. Tap on Create Account if you are adding a completely new account. Fill in the required details such as your username, password, and date of birth, then tap on Continue to create the new account. After successfully signing up, Roblox will automatically log you into your new account and you can start playing right away. To switch between accounts, simply tap on Switch Accounts, and that's it. Now you know how to add another account in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.